this matter was last listed in 23,
Yes,
wherein you had taken time.
I had
for-
taken time, but I could not contact with them.
Forget it, they are not interested. We'll close it. Let the matter come.
Only 1 week time, can be contact.
18 matters like this. No, doesn't look nice. You argue.
Left I can take.
You argue. They say it is patta number 47,
Yes,
roadside land. You show me your pattas.
yes.
That land which is there, you have a patta to that. Show me that.
Those
I'll
documents are-
interfere.
I sought those documents.
That document should have been there in the writ petition, Mr. Hamad.
Because of the urgency, that was filed.
You should have filed that
within 1 day.
additional affidavit.
Therefore,
2018, the government files an affidavit. Categorical statements made
I'm
therein.
saying for only 1 week time, only 7 days.
Not even a day. You let the matter come. We'll see. Yes, where is Mr. Done? Retrospectivity.
Your Lordship, he joined on 1st of April.
Hmm.
We have forwarded it to the Cultural Affairs Department, the Directorate, for retrospective effect of that. That Cultural Affairs Department. is
I
now-
think he was supposed to join on 28, but that was not an auspicious day, sir.
I suppose.
So Mr. Medhi had advised him to join on
First,
first,
number one, this
number 1. 1st of April,
first of it.
significant day.
On 9th of April, it was forwarded, this form, duly filled up form.
Mr. D. Bora, government advocate, on instruction, submit that the petitioner hearing had assumed the charge of his promotional post with effect from 1/4/2025. Thereafter, the respondent authorities have forwarded the matter, have processed the matter for grant of retrospective effect to the promotion of the petitioner to the cadre of senior assistant, and the matter has been forwarded to the finance department for obtaining its concurrence. Full stop. Will you be claiming back wages
No.
or seniority?
As per,
Notionally,
as per the order of this honorable court, or the 9th of January, was that the observation was made of these, the permanence of people, especially with all salaries, madam, because we are.
that we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
always change. We said we will decide that when we finally decide the matter. Okay, let them do this. So, in view of the above position, Mr. Bora submits that the matter be taken up after 4 weeks, enabling him to apprise this court as to the outcome of the exercise now undertaken by the state respondents for grant of retrospective effect to the promotion of the petitioner to the cadre of senior assistant. Accordingly, registry to list those matters again after 4 weeks on a date 2 weeks, right? You give him a copy, you also keep
I
a
have
copy.
given.
Then you take it back. We are not.
The petition has already been filed, madam.
Affidavit file, no problem, but this is a proposed reserve forest. Have you notified them?
That is to be, I think,
Forest, call the forest, whoever it is.
Respect, my lord, I have already intimated them, but the petitioner side and respondent side happens to be the same one. In this
Oh.
case, that's the problem.
Oh.
I have already intimated to them, my
We'll
lord.
dismiss it for default, then they'll come. All of them are here. You just tell them that I'm
I have
proceeding,
already
contemplating to
intimated them, my
dismiss it for default. Then let's see how they do.
lord. Details will appear.
Mr. Khatoniar had appeared. Inform Mr. N.J. Khatoniar.
The Bhattakur also. His name is not there, but he said that.
Mr. Sayola, what is the outcome of the cases now? Yes,
Well, they have to take instruction.
that much only is required. What is Mr. Sayola asking for more than that?
Lordship, that we have received the instruction in 8/6/2018, the status report in the first case. It was under investigation.
No, 18 is 7 years back.
Lordship, that's right.
So we'll have it day after. You get your
Lordship,
information.
next week, Lordship. Next week, Lordship.
18 matters. What
I
can we
understand,
do? We
Lordship.
only have to see whether you have investigated the matter
Lordship.
properly. That's the end of
Other
the
two
matter.
matters I have seen, Lordship, affidavits were filed where said investigation is going. I will,
I have gone through it. Only
Lord.
thing is investigation is on. I'm not even going into what is the allegation.
Lord.
Because the thing is that because of certain people
Lordship,
supporting the accused, powerful people,
Lordship.
the police is not proceeding. And
Latest information they may get.
that's it.
Stated on Monday, Lordship.
Mr. S.S. Roy, learned government advocate, prays that he be granted a week's time to complete his instructions in the matter and apprise this court as to the stage of investigation in the criminal proceedings involved in the present writ petitions. Full as a last chance, full stop. This prayer is not objected to by Mr. G.N. Sahewala, learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioners. Registry to list those matters again on Wednesday next. Huh? Mr.
Lordship,
Someone get that.
Much.
Yes,
But they said that
you have already been evicted.
we have already been evicted.
Then?
My lord, first you will kindly have a look regarding the annexure one, my lord.
You have been evicted.
That dark number is different, my lord,
Okay, fine. They have said 47.
47. And so
And
far as
see,
the
this
petitioner-
affidavit,
the petitioner's dark number one.
I can't go, I don't have knowledge of that place
My lord.
where your land is. I can only derive knowledge from the affidavits
Okay.
and your pleadings. Affidavit was filed sometime in 2018 November. Therein, in paragraph page 3,
Yes, I have seen that.
it is clearly stated,
Yes,
last line,
yes.
while carrying out eviction drive, the petitioner so-and-so and others were found to be encroached on PWD roadside government land. That's the end of the matter.
No, my lord, that the ground reality is different, my lord.
How do I know, Mr. Ahmad?
Yes,
You have not even brought on record your stand against this.
My lord, my stand from the very beginning, my lord, was clear, my lord, regarding the petition number one, my lord.
See, what you say, there is no supporting document.
The sale deed is there, my lord.
Sale deed, where is your Jamabandi to show that, see, this is my name is included there. Sale deed is something very vague here. And see come to the description of the parties. Come to para 2.
My lord.
Petition number 1, so-and-so is one of the landowners. Who are the other landowners? Landowners.
My lord.
In what capacity?
Yes, my lord.
You're a settlement holder. What are you?
The sale deed is there, annexure one, page 14. my lord.
Annexure 1, page
Yes,
14. Okay,
There are other two parties, my lord, along with the petition number one,
okay.
and they are his brothers, my lord. Khalilur is the petition number one, and his brothers are Abdul Jabbar Chaudhary and Hoibur Rahman. Therefore, my lord, I stated that
This is
one of the
neither here
lands.
nor there. What is the land?
the land is there, my lord.
Bearing
Dark
Niyadi
number
Patta number 8 of
dark number
74.
74.
Have you, your name has been mutated in the land records?
Regarding the mutation document. my lord,
Okay, now read further.
Hmm.
Having his business establishment, namely so-and-so, wherein the execution of demolition work has taken place on so-and-so. The petition number 2 is the wife of one of the landholders, Abdul Jabbar, having her business establishment,
Yes.
Abdul Jabbar. Where is Abdul Jabbar's
The same
documents?
annexure one, my lord, page 14. My lord, the
Abdul Jabbar.
The purchaser.
That is Abdul Jabbar Chaudhary. Here, this is Abdul Jabbar. Okay. And this is lady is not Abdul Jabbar is not before this court.
My lord, the shop belongs to the.
Fine, but the land is of Abdul Jabbar.
Yes.
Your wife, maybe she's your wife, but she's your tenant only.
Right.
What right will have she have? Your husband should have been here.
She has been.
Now go further.
My lord.
Now,
My lord.
However, the other petitioners, number 3, is a tenant.
Yes,
Petition number 5, tenant.
yes,
Petition number 7, tenant.
yes.
So,
My lord,
where are the owners?
owners are the brothers of petitioner number 1, others, other owners.
They are not here.
They are not here, but the shops, my lord, which were demolished, my lord. Those shops belongs to them, my lord.
They are not here. Why is the tenant here?
They are directly agreed, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I have made them
I'm sorry.
petitioners, my lord. And regarding the, my lord.
Yes,
sale
madam, what do you have to
deed-
say?
Sale deed, my lord. We have,
They have
my lord,
not
all
yet-
the-
Why have you evicted them from their mere patta land?
At least an inquiry should have been made, my lord, and a report should have been submitted, my lord, before this honorable court, my lord.
Here is Doug number 47, my so it's a government.
On the
document.
prayer of Mr. Hamad, learned counsel appearing for the Z. Hamad, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. Registry to list this matter again on today, on 28/4/2025. Full stop, enabling him to bring on record. 28/4/2025
Can it be on 30th, my lord? if
to enable him to make his submissions in the matter. Full stop. The no further adjournment would be granted in the matter to the learned counsel to the petitioners. No further adjournment would be granted in the matter to the petitioners. 28,
My lord,
because you have made a prayer, 28,
my lord, my lord.
Hold on.
but nothing is there.
I'll try to listen. On the clip.
Follow up, Bishop. Mr. Barbiya,
My lord.
cross cases,
Cross cases,
everything.
Everything is there, my lord.
Now
On
tell me what happened after 38, page 38,
Case,
38.
lord. Oh, sorry. That I have no instructions.
If you have submitted an application to this pack, they automatically will have to take it up.
I must be something, but I do not know what happened. my
If
lord.
they have done something, why should we now do something?
No, my lord. There is a one point, my lord. No, it's-
And tell me,
My lord,
Mr.
I'm coming, my lord.
Mr. Barbian,
Lord.
you know, we'll hear you. There is an affidavit, there is an inquiry. Clear cut.
My lord, inquiry report, my lord, says one Babdan Ali. Babdan Ali is
That's
witness, my lord. Just a minute, my lord.
He may not be a Gaupura, but he is a witness.
But he cannot be witness, my lord. How come he can be in my bedroom, my lord?
That I can't go back and have, there was no CCTV cameras
No,
on
my
that
lord,
day.
it cannot be, my.
I can't now.
For my lord,
Official of the police, a middle ranking official, he has made an inquiry wherein you were also examined. Your statements have been also taken note of, and thereafter a conclusion has been arrived. Show me how the conclusion is erroneous. I can't adjudicate on that.
lordship will see, my lord, the inquiry report.
You should, it's only your word against the word of the police. That's all. Here. No other material.
My lord.
Then, and see, the allegation against your husband is very serious.
Maybe, my lord.
Maybe it's a false case.
My-
And the police had gone there to your house, not a male police, but a female police had accompanied you.
No, my lord. My allegation is only.
Your allegation, but the statements, it's very clear.
They said, my lord, woman has gone and they dashed me and I had to undergo the treatment also.
No.
And they said one Babdan Ali is not a Gaur.
What happened to the other 2 cases against your husband? Your cases against your husband?
That I do not.
Yes, Mr. Roy. What happened to the case registered against her husband?
Okay, that I take the instruction.
Just have an instruction in that. You are Mohima Bibi.
No, I'm Manju Bibi.
Mohima is the person who has, no, Mohima is your relative.
Yes, my lord. My
Sumi Begum is the one who has filed the
Sumi
affidavit
Begum
against
is my
you.
younger brother's wife,
She has filed, Anwar Hussain is your,
brother. It seems brother is. If the affidavit is taken into account, my lord,
Anwar Hussain is your husband.
yes, Anwar Hussain is the
Ganesh.
husband of the present petitioner.
Ah,
And
page
Sumi Begum,
28 of the writ petition, that affidavit, what has happened?
my lord,
That case, Ajo, PS
Page
case number
63.
212. Page, come to page 30,
Page 3.
212-18. Right?
My lord.
And Mr. Barwia, have you lodged any FIR against these police officials in the matter? No?
We lost the formal complaints on that much. My basic
And
grievance-
also, Mr. Roy,
Lordship.
get an instruction as to what happened in pursuance to page 38. Come to page 38. Because he had approached the SPAC also. Just have an instruction. I'm not indicating it in the order, you just get this too.
Lordship.
Aju PS case number 12,
212.
212. And this, what happened, whether SPAC had taken up any proceedings.
Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. S.S. Roy.
That
Um,
will surprise everyone.
On the prayer of Mr. S.S. Roy, learned government advocate appearing for the respondent, submits that he be given a week's time to receive instructions with regard to the status of investigation in Aju PS case number 212/18, as well as to whether any steps were taken by the State Police Accountability Commission in pursuance to the representation dated 22/3/2018, submitted before it by the petitioner hearing. So, prayer is accepted. Registry to list this matter again on 34/2025. That much only you get.
Lordship.
Who is appearing for the respondents here? Hello, Yusuf. Madam, what is your complete dues you have to repair? 1,37,00,000.
1 crore 37, out of which.
They
they
1
paid
crore?
1 crore 5 lakhs.
5 lakhs. And the
Okay,
1
30.
crore now that you are claiming is inclusive of interest.
Yes. No, and it plus interest, lots of interest will be something, yeah, 1 crore 24 lakhs.
That is
Inclusive
until
and-
that time
until
inclusive.
that time, as per the MSME.
And there is no dispute as far as I could gather
no.
with regard to the
No.
completion of the work. Who is the person to pay you this money?
The Assam Housing Board,
Get
and they
them.
get the money from the PH.
Who is appearing for them? Who is appearing?
So the councils keep on changing. The council keeps on changing, that's the problem.
But his name is not shown here in the cause list. It's only standing council PHE. But PHE has got no role here.
PH will sanction the money.
Money.
Give the money.
Who is the standing council PHE? Madam, can you just wait? Or can you get hold of them? Get hold of them. We'll, because it's going nowhere.
Housing Board has to be present.
Government had given 1 crore 24 lakhs, but only why 1 crore 7 lakhs was given to you? No explanation.
Housing Board. has to be present.
Statutory deduction, so much.
I don't think so.
I had a doubt with regard to your MSME status. Then I found that memorandum was there. So you are covered by that act. But madam, why you are here? Why don't you go before the facilitation council? There is a dispute now.
That's it. As far as the quantum is concerned, I have no. Let them calculate the interest. I'll accept the interest. Will not dispute. Only in case there's a dispute.
Just get hold of them. Bill. Yes, you're for?
I am for the finance department.
Oh, what happened? Why are you? You should be the revenue department here. This is that IIT land, na? Huh?
Yeah,
Why money is not being given?
yes, I will only take it, my lord. Land was acquired, my lord. His part and parcels of land were acquired.
Hmm.
Then, my lord, he was not satisfied with the quantum of.
You come to the last page of your affidavit. Last page of the paper book.
Yes,
The accusation is sometime in 2091.
no.
2091, huh?
Yes,
LA cases of 91. You just
Yes.
come to this annexure.
and page 45, my lord.
No, page 63.
63.
It's part of the affidavit of the petitioner, additional affidavit of the petitioner. Last document in the paper
Additional affidavit.
of the petitioner.
Yes,
There was an order by a coordinate bench. And then
Yes.
what happened after
yes.
this?
Now, my lord, now the difficulty is that, my lord, IIT has passed on the buck to, my lord, the Ministry of Human Resources. Central.
Because IIT is just a creator. That was created. It was created by you and the central government. Central
Central-
government is to make the payment. Who is
Yes,
appearing for
so-
the central
so-
government?
so That is the submission I was about to make.
Hmm.
So therefore, central government.
No, I got it, but where is the proposal from your end?
The proposal is already there, my lord.
No, after this, what has happened? What happened after this? 29/8/2020?
They are not responding because that is, therefore, lordship will kindly come to the affidavit filed by IIT. Kindly see.
Now, IIT says, we have got no money, we have to do nothing. It's between the government and the central government.
Yes.
That much only.
So IIT is also duty bound to communicate with the central government. We have communicated. Difficulty was that, my lord, the
Is
office,
central government a party here?
yes. By order dated, my lord,
Who is appearing for the secretary to the government of India, Ministry of Human
Yes.
Resources?
R7.
Who is appearing?
As per order dated 7/2/2022.
Anybody appeared?
Because these kinds of matters are, my lord, now pending before this honorable court. Not only this matter, where, my lord, in some other matters, we are fortunate here that the petitioner has not chosen to initiate execution proceedings. In some matters, my lord, in those cases, petitioners has initiated.
No, he is before us. We can always compensate him with interest.
Absolutely. But here, at least.
Yes. Who is appearing? Are you engaged in this matter, Mr. Roy?
Not yet. Lordship.
Who is there?
Checked. I have to check.
Earlier, Miss Gayan was appearing. Get hold of Miss Gayan.
Jan has left today.
Or left.
I will inform him.
So they will have to file an affidavit. Lordship will kindly.
I will inform.
my lord, fix it
No
for-
affidavit. You get your instructions, place it before me.
I inform him.
This man is running from that day with his land is gone. He is not being compensated. You agree and still. Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Counsel appearing for the, Learned CGC appearing for the respond number 7, undertakes to receive complete instructions in the matter and place the same before this court on the next date of listing. Full stop. For the purpose, he prays that the matter be taken up after 2 weeks. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the, by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Accordingly, the registry to list this matter again on 14/5/2025. On the next date of listing, if the instructions as if the instructions are not placed on record before this court would contemplate passing orders requiring the personal appearance of the secretary to the government of India Ministry of Human Resources Department to assist this court in disposal of the present matter. Yes, madam, what is this?
Lordship, we have filed our affidavit.
You
Lordship.
forget your affidavit. You give it to somebody, make a statement that you have not settled this land with anyone. Huh? Can you make that statement?
Not now,
Then-
Lordship.
Then what is your statement here in the affidavit? Para 4. That because this is government land reserved for Rajdhani, nobody, this is left out land. And this same very dark you have given to two others. Why not the petitioner? He is there from 20. There is an order of this court. No, no. Today, who is the man responsible? This man may have been, no, he may not be alive also. No. He has been fighting this case right from, he is before this court from when? 2002. There is a categorical direction. My Lord Justice B.P. Kotogi's order. And then you make this statement here. There is a recommendation by the Land Advisory Committee. Matter is pending before the government. Government wanted to give it to somebody else, some person. Then they came up. This court said nothing doing, consider his case. Now you put him in a hanging position. You want to evict him? When?
Yes, sir, tomorrow, Lordship.
Miss Esquire, learned counsel, appearing for the
3 and 4, Lord.
3 and 4. Respond number 3 and 4 and Mr. J. Hendick, Mr. J. Hendick, learned counsel, standing counsel, revenue, appearing for the respondents number 1, appearing for the respondent number 1,
3,
and
4,
Miss
5, Lord. 3, 4 and 5, Lordship.
Miss Esquire, learned government advocate, appearing for the respondent number 3, 4 and 5, submits that they be given 2 days time to complete their instructions in the matter and place the same before this court. Puso, prayer accepted. On the next date of listing, both Mr. Hendick and Ms. Moore shall apprise this court as to why the proposer with regard to allotment of land in favor of the petitioner has not been taken to its logical conclusion. Further, Ms. Kaur shall also explain as to the basis for making this statement in paragraph 4 of the affidavit filed by the respondent number 4, wherein it has been stated that the when registered to list this matter again on 30. No Panchayat election. Panchayat election, revenue is not involved. Then revenue is not involved. And Kamrup DC is also not that much involved. Only Khunapur area, na? Then on 30. None appears. Panchayat influxes. None appears for the petition on call. The petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Lordship,
You are there?
no,
17 and
17.
18. Okay, that matter.
I want 22, 23 office or
But why steps have not been taken?
already taken, Lordship.
No, steps.
5, 1,
Oh, complete. Okay.
5, 1, 23.
But Miss SP, was there anybody appearing for respondent number 6?
Appeared for Forest Department.
The tracking report shows he got it.
You come in 17, challenge an advertisement of 17. You come in 20, challenge an order of 2015.
No, because that was not in that previous case.
But it flowed from that only. Your
No,
rights
because
got curtailed from.
I
And what to? You have blocked the mahal.
No, Lordship. What
The whole
happened?
mahal isn't, because of the stay, it's not being operated.
And my lord, malls are granted for
Ah, come
5
on,
years.
my lord, why this matter was not being mentioned from 23 if you have so much urgency?
It should have
So
actually.
you don't talk.
I only mentioned it quite a number
Ah.
of times. What happened, Lordship, that 15 Lordship is mentioning, telling.
Okay, today I allow this repetition. What benefit can you get?
Because that part they have to give me, because there's a procedure, Lordship, because they have a, this one for, that clearance of the forest and all, and then they'll give me the work order. It was stated that it's a special kind of
You
tax.
have got nothing in your hand. It
Lordship,
was only a tender which
Yes.
was then cancelled.
cancel, yes, but that cancellation was never there, Lordship. They had manipulated it.
Today it's difficult.
It's four, there's one, A, B, C, D, they have divided it. First, we went for tender, I opted for D. Now they have made it one, let them get A, B, C, only give me D, Lordship. Only one part I'm asking for.
And your whole mahal is blocked and you have no worries. Sabotago, state revenue,
Should have been mentioned.
then
Lordship,
Uh,
there,
we'll consider it. Don't worry. Heard Miss SP Saint Leonard Council appearing for the petitioner. Item number it would be
My lord,
1566
thing,
20. Ah,
my lord, in the later orders, my lord will see it says interim order shall continue.
there is no interim order
But there
here.
is no interim order.
In the first case, there is an interim order in the I. Get my point? I heard Miss SP, Mr. SP Hussain, Learned Council for the petitioner, and Mr. I. Thakur, Learned IP Thakur.
I bought it.
I Thakur, Learned Council appearing for the Learned Standing Council, Forest Department, appearing for the state respondents. Also, seeing the office note dated 5/1/2023, which reflects that the service of notice upon respond number 6 is complete. Also, accordingly, the registry to list this matter along with WPC number 2348/2017 and IAC 4129/2000. And again, WPC 2348/2017 for admissions on when?
Next
Final
week,
disposal.
Any day, next week.
When, Miss?
Lordship, I'll be out of station like for a long time. Let it be in the first week of June. Lordship,
When are you going?
there's a person on Friday, Lordship, and for personal reason, I have to be there.
When are you coming back?
Last week of May,
4/6/2025.
highly obliged.
Public.
May I please, Your Lord?
Hmm.
I have to take steps upon restaurant number 5, 6, and 7. Lordship, I undertake to take the steps within 3 days, Lordship.
I'm sorry, not permitting you. Because you have not been taking these steps despite orders from 2024,
Lordship, by tomorrow I will take the steps, Lordship.
9/12/2024.
By tomorrow I will take the
9/12/2024.
steps, Lordship.
Mr. Sharma, this does not present a very nice picture.
No.
Mr. R. Sharma, and you are enjoying an interim order. Mr. R. Sharma, Learned Council appearing for the petitioner undertakes that the steps for service of notice upon the respondent's number 5 to 7 shall invariably be taken by tomorrow. That is date to be. Also, in the event the steps as undertaken by Mr. R. Sharma is not so taken, in the event the steps is not taken as per the undertaking given by Mr. R. Sharma, registry to list this matter again on 28/4/2024. Also, in this event, in the event the steps are so taken, notices be issued to the respond number 4 to 7, no? 5 to 7 by registered post with AD, as well as by way of usual process. Also, registry to thereafter list the matter after 4 weeks on a date. Yes, Mr.
Also, interim order passed earlier. It was passed on 31/5.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day police. And next time we are not doing it.
Lordship, thank you.
Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Council Mr. S. Bothakur. Lordship, we sought for some instruction from our client in item number 20, Your Lordship. We've been instructed that some of the petitioners, Lordship, 5 of them don't want to further pursue the matter, Your Lordship. So we want to file an II to strike off their name.
You do whatever you, but why have you not taken steps?
Lordship,
Okay, the case where the steps have been taken, we are allowing it to be written, other one we are dismissing.
Lordship,
No, same thing, both.
sometime may be granted.
No, time, okay. You have 15 minutes more, 3 o'clock, till 3 o'clock they accept steps, go and take steps. Come back, I'm here. You want time, I'm giving you time.
So, Lordship, that's what I've been instructed, Lordship.
This is not done. This is very, shows a very sorry state of affairs. The council should be very, we were also there. I was also at that segment. This doesn't look.
Thank you, Lordship. That's what I'm.
Repeated orders of the Lauzima court, nobody is appearing. This is a sorry state of affairs. What is your name?
P. Khaton, Your Lordship.
T. Khatonia, Lanark Council, same order, Belek. Lanark Council appearing for the petitioner submits that the steps for service of notice upon respond number 6 would be taken invariably by candidate to the year. So in the event these steps are not so taken, registry to list this matter again on 28/4/2024. So in the event the steps are taken, the registry to issue notice upon the respond number 6 by way of registered post with AD and list the matter after 4 weeks.
Much.
This matter, my lord, there's a conflict, Mr. PM or something, my lord. when
Mr. NJ Khataniar entered appearance because of that conflict. He is also not here.
I'll inform him, my lord, it's a date, I'll.
You have a case because it's not a reserve forest still, it's a proposed reserve forest. So I am restraining myself from dismissing this petition. One more chance I'm giving.
I'll inform.
When?
Any day next week, I'll.
On the prayer of Mr. I. Bothakur, appearing for Mr. NJ Khatonia, registry for an adjournment in the matter, registry to list Mr. I. Bothakur, Lanark Council, appearing for NJ Khatonia, Lanark Council for the petitioner, submits that he be granted a week's time to complete his instructions in the matter. Also, registry, prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again on 30/4/2024, 25. Also, it is provided that no further adjournment would be granted in the matter.
Okay.
None as you are appearing.
Mr. Messenger on the way, Lordship. Passport on the day, Lordship.
No passing over. You satisfy me, no passing over. We have enough files to read. Can't read a file twice daily. You call her. Before I finish the list, others I'm dismissing it for default.
For the petitioner, on the last day I paid to file one impeachment petition. So.
That was in 2022,
22.
mister. You have
Yes.
not done it. You come on merits. What do you have to say?
I may be allowed to file in the next week.
Sorry.
1 week's time maybe.
No. What is the matter? Do you know the matter?
Yes, sir.
Then you argue. Show me why I should come in your favor.
So we are the petitioners in this case, so we have one mobile shop.
I got it. Forget that. Why that penalty, that demerits that has been imposed upon you
Marriage is not.
should
because-
be interfered. They are not at fault.
No, in the,
The Airport Authority of India is not at fault.
no, in the,
You did not have the number.
no, they have specifically stated in the affidavit in opposition. that is
Where?
in Affidavit in opposition, that is in para 8,
Hmm.
page number 3.
Hmm.
In the page number 3, the delay is on the part of the airline, which is bound. to-
That's it. Where is the airline? A party here.
Yes, I will not make the.
Then-
party.
Then,
For that, 1 week time maybe.
sorry, you took that prayer in 22.
Yes, thereafter the matter will stay today only.
Forget it. You're not interested, your client is not interested
He was out of station at that relevant point.
for 5 years.
The matter came today only, after 3 years. and also. So 1 week time maybe when we'll file the implement.
I'll have it on Friday. As paid for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, registered to list this matter again on Monday, 28th.
28. Highly,
And if I don't have that implementing application on record, dismissing.
okay, highly. Oblige.
None appears for the petitioner, even on second call. Full stop. Full stop. In view of the above, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Madam, yes. Who are you? PHE.
Yes.
Now, why these amounts are not being cleared? Any dispute?
The work order that has been issued by the Commissioner of Housing.
You are the man who is, people who are monitoring it. You are creating the problems. You are sanctioning the amount.
We supervise it,
That's it.
but.
So the housing board forwards it to you, gets a clearance from you, then releases the money. Now tell her when are you going to pay the balance amount with interest? You calculate the interest.
I'll take instruction, but.
No,
the
not
board-
instructions. I want something concrete.
My lord, it will have to be issued by the. house.
Friday, you take your instructions by when you will pay. Friday,
I'll take it.
Literally posted Monday.
Monday. Madam does not want to come on Friday.
I have to outstation.
Monday. As prayed for by Mr. And who is appearing for the
They filed their response also. I think this is also just filed.
Mr. I. Bhattakur, learned counsel, appearing for the standing counsel PHC department submits that he be given a week's time to complete his instructions in the matter. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Ms. M. Hazarika, learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. Full stop. Registry to list, accordingly, registry to list this matter again on. We'll have it on 30th. 34. Madam, any issue?
No.
Let him have a 2 more days time. 34/2025. Full stop. Registry to reflect the name of standing counsel,
Some housing.
Assam Housing
Board.
Board. In the cause
Assam
list,
State Housing Board.
Assam State Housing Board. In the cause list on the next date of listing. Full stop. Both the learned councils representing the Assam State Housing Board as well as the PHC department shall apprise this court as to the reasons why the dues claimed by the petitioners have not been released to her. Have not been released to it, no?
Obliged.
We'll see on the next day. I mean,
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Kishore Lordship. My senior is in CBI court. Kindly adjourn for the day for till tomorrow, Lordship.
we are dismissing it. CBI court bail or criminal hearing. Bail, no, if it was trial, I would have allowed. Bail, I'm not allowed. If it was trial, I would have allowed it. But she is there for a bail. If she was doing a trial there, I would have allowed. Kali. As prayed for by the Kalina Purohit. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the petitioner, raised it to list this matter again on Thursday, date to delay. By slip to you. Thursday, madam.
Lordship, in item number,
Thursday. And if you don't come, no adjournment, dismissed.
Okay, yes, Lordship.
Lordship, in 17 days an interim order, Lordship, it may continue.
Interim order, if any. The interim order is in the IA, na?
I
Interim order, if any, to continue till the next date of this.
highly obliged.
Hoy বললে?